Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2012 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Come see the car for yourself.